We all care about our health. In such matters, none of us should postpone things for later or try to save money. Of course, with the modern rhythm of life, the amount of work and tasks that need to be done daily does not always allow us to devote the right amount of time for our health. We feel the rise of our temperature or the worsening of our physical health, or even mental health. But we carry on working without taking time off, thinking that work is the priority. We give promises to ourselves that once the work is done, we'll take care of the rest. This is not right, and moreover, is not effective in the long run. While we are creating the gadget, we highlighted healthcare as one of the most important priorities. So many functions of our gadget deal with this matter. The gadget automatically analyzes the state of your condition.
My lifestyle is rather active, but as a woman I'm always obsessed about the calories that I use and consume. Can I afford to eat the delicious cupcake I really wanted, or should I refrain myself instead? Thanks to our gadget, this question doesn't bother me any longer. When using the gadget on a daily basis, the device keeps the count of receiving and consumed calories. Essentially, it's my assisting consultant, and it keeps track of absolutely everything. The amount of the food I eat, how much I move, and the distances I walk to. All the calculations are done independently by the gadget.
A modern man stores a considerable amount of information, and sometimes it requires to have more than one device. And I don't mean just necessary documents, photos and videos that we need to have access to on a daily basis. We often collect rather diverse information that we might need later on. Books or articles, for instance, market analysis, trend reports, entertainment and much more, I guess. Our gadget is equipped with a 512 GB hard drive. Of course, part of the space is used to store the system information, and the rest remains to be used as data storage created by the owner of the device. Yet, that's not it. The gadget can also be connected to the iCloud storage system, making it possible to store and exchange files via the cloud with other connected users, as well as connected device too.
This time we are planning to do with my colleagues from Ukraine and from Belarus, we're planning to do the next step with the larger sample of the individuals, and we're continuing to do our brain activity research and in the future.
It's very hard to imagine our lives without a smartphone in our modern days. But do we actually need it to an extent that we think we do? Watching thousands of people staring into the screens obsessively does not sound like the most vibrant, colorful future we wish for the next generations. It's like looking into a keyhole. But isn't it a perfect time to open the doors, raise our heads, and start looking at the world around us?
With SimbiosOne, you'll always be at the forefront, ahead of the present.
The appearance and the launch of our project on IndieGogo is not an accident. We see a large number of progressive people who want to jump on board and be first, to see and to be part of the future today.
You believe that the world changes every day, and so are we. We want you to be the first, because you deserve it.
As my father used to say, Nothing is impossible, and I now repeat his words too. I'm sure that those who believe in the future have this vision in common. Our entire team is happy that the upcoming year will be a great, spectacular year for lots and lots of people. By all means.
Thank you!